So this is the time. Time has come now. Like anyone can have a test bed, can contribute towards the standard. So we are in the era of um,
Hello, sir.
yeah.
Hello, sir.
Oh, I am audible.
Yes, sir. Can you elaborate about these test beds and how we can perform some experimental work in the universities?
Then test bed and other things.
Available test beds.
In France, it's called open air interface. I think in 2016, 17, like that, they started working on it. In there is a university called URECOM. From there, the lot of group of people work together to develop the protocol stack for both core network and radio access network. That means for base station as well as base station, user equipment, and the core network. So they have started working on it through C++ programming. They are able to successfully make it work. Okay. Then based on that, using some SDRs, software defined radios and USRPs, you know about USRPs. Using the USRPs and our general purpose computers, even with the laptops also, we can create a test bed. We can create a private 5G network. Create a 5G network within the lab to give a coverage up to some 20-30 feet, 30 feet, so that you are a individual operator running within the laboratory setup. Okay, so by doing so, you will be able to understand the overall working principles of 5G, right? In and out. Not only so currently, if you are using a smartphone, we have only control over the application layer. We are using Gmail application or YouTube, all those things. That is application layer. We are doing it, right? So what is happening internally? Whenever the signal is received at the antenna, then process at the physical layer, then MAC layer, RLC, then upper layers. How it is processed and how we are giving this data, and whenever you are sending data, how it is being sent to the internet, how you are making call to other person, or initial interaction between the two smartphones, how it happens. All these things can be understood using the platform. These open source test beds. Okay, so the first one was developed by open interface, um, and SRS run also another software ready systems run X network, that is SRS RAN. This for SRS RAN and open interface are RAN base stations, RAN setups, radio access setup. Base station protocol stacks are given by SRS RAN and open interface. Then open interface is the core network software. Other thing I mentioned, AMF, SMF, UPF, all are communicated. We also developed a core network component. And EU runs in another software that instead of having physical devices like a base station and a smartphone, we can, within the computer itself, in the laptop itself, we can create one virtual user equipment or a base station in software only. So we will not be including the physical and all, only through application layer we can get the traffic, the kind of thing. That is EU enhancing. And there are other communities like ORN software community, ORNSC, plus language. Some of the tools are called free veggies and all, they are using Go language also. Okay, so using these software packages, you will be able to perform the things. I will explain that, how it is done.
Okay. Sir, can we take a 10 minutes break, sir, and we will continue?
Yeah, we can take a break 10 minutes. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are the, these are all open source softwares?
Open source
software platforms.
Yeah, I will explain that.
Okay.
The main problem is that installing them properly in the computers and do the proper experimentation.
Okay, sir.
I will explain
then
that.
We can continue after the break, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All of you take a 10 minutes break and after 10 minutes gather here.